Hello, if you wanna turn on one-hand mode on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, for the first open the settings. Now we have to scroll down and click on the advanced features. Then we have to go to the one-handed mode. And now for the first we have to activate it by this marker. And if you wanna use it, there is option with gesture or with button. So I will stay with the default gesture because it's very simple. So you put finger here on this button and swipe on the down. Okay, so now we can and we turn on the Google Assistant, and now we have to adjust on the left side, on the right side. So you have to set up for yourself, and as you can see, this is how this works. But if you wanna just close this one-hand mode, you have to click on the black area here to back to the full screen. So this is how it works on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.